Hello, everyone, and welcome to the winner stream of the Assistance API and Trulance Hackathon.
Discover how the LabLab AI event winners use the Intel, Llama Index, Trulance, MongoDB technologies to create groundbreaking apps in communication, video analysis, cybersecurity, finance, and disaster preparedness.
First place, RagFire bridges the gap between sign language users and the hearing world with real-time sign language translation, text-to-sign conversion, and feedback for improved accuracy. It transforms communication in healthcare, education, and daily life.
Second place, Uturbio analyzes videos using Llama Index, GPT-4, and Cohere for content classification, mood analysis, and direct information linking. It's perfect for content creators, educators, and analysts to gain deeper insights into video content.
Third place, CyberGuardian collects and analyzes real-time cybersecurity news. Using Trulance for evaluation and MongoDB for storage, it delivers up-to-date, relevant information essential for cybersecurity professionals.
Special prize, Best Use of Toolset. 1. InvestMate helps users create diversified investment portfolios based on age, risk tolerance, and goals. It offers real-time OpenAI responses and customizable chat applications for investment firms and individual investors.
Set 2. Simulation AI generates detailed scenarios for hypothetical events, aiding policymakers, researchers, and the public in disaster preparedness and strategic planning. It uses a RAG database for deep insights and interactive queries.
Ready to join top AI builders? Begin your journey with LabLab AI, where imagination and AI merge to solve real-world challenges.